I must say that the driver who passed the red light was very lucky not to have an accident. These are the first driving rules, which you should not cross the red light. Here I want to teach you the law. Never base your movement on the front car brake light.
Beautiful estate house, and he got to their bedroom,
Oh, were
and he
you
looked out the
waiting
window,
for permission?
and he said, "There, I see the curse." And my uncle looked out, and he said, "I don't see anything. What are you talking about?"
Oh my God! Why did you not fucking call?
I said, "Well, what are we supposed to do now?" He's like, "Go find some men,
What the
get some shovels,
fuck?
meet me down there on the corner."
Why did my window
So
roll
he rounded
down?
up a few of the workers who were there, and the man said, "Well, start digging."
Right here, he knew exactly what it did.
Yeah. He said,
I think this video will show you exactly that carelessness while driving can be very dangerous. If you want to do dramatic moves with the car, do it with a sports car. Could you control the car if you were? What do you think happened when the black car went out of lane like this? It was a really funny accident.
Vai, ce vai, vai! Ce pula mea fac? Am dat în asta. Uite că pică așa asta. Bă, mi se face rău, papa. Carina, mi se face rău. Stai să mă stic motorul. Stai să vă la ăsta. Ce să fac? Mi se face rău.
What a horrible accident. What do you think was the cause of this incident? Fear and fleeing from the police caused the accident. It seemed that this would not have happened if he had been a little more careful. What does the Hyundai car do there? What a horrible accident it was. Maybe if they had been careful, this would never have happened. Observing the rules of driving is to respect others first, and secondly to prevent accidents. For some, driving regulations seem to have no value. Do you think passing a red light is attractive? After all these years of culture building, there are still those who do not follow the rules of driving. Rich kids who only know how to press the accelerator pedal from the car, and know nothing about the physics of the car. Not following the rules of the driving can sometimes make you feel good. This is until something bad happens. When an accident happens, you realize how important the rules are.
Твой мир колдунами на 1000 лет укроет от меня и от света.
Przylega do basenu pływackiego i obejmuje kort do squasha i inne urządzenia. Przechowuje się tam rakiety tenisowe, kije hokejowe, jest też pomieszczenie do suszenia kostiumów.
Ну проходите. Блядь.
Как это странно всегда. Вроде бы взрослые люди, а в голове ерунда.
Overtaking on a continuous line is completely stupid.
Fucking retard. Jesus fucking Christ.
What kind of driving is this? Undoubtedly, you guessed it easily, this is an Arab country. It is difficult for me to understand why the Arabs like Toyota and such things so much. When you are driving, show a little interest in it and be careful.
Is a holiday of superlatives. It's one of, if not the biggest travel weeks of the year.
He did not pay the slightest attention to his surroundings. Such negligence can have very bad consequences for you. I remembered the giant shifts. Usually, beach play is a two differential. There is nothing to do but laugh. This model of overtaking is called bus overtaking. The ability of the Benz driver was very low. There are many drivers in this model who decide to change course without following the rules.
Whoa!
What was wrong with him mentally? He was going, we need to be asking what's wrong with us as a nation that we failed this young boy.
I remember the Tokyo Drift movie. See bad luck truck driver. The driver of the van spends a lot of money to strengthen the car, and in the end this happens. This may happen to everyone. Beware of rainy roads. I think this driver tried to commit suicide but did not know when and where to do it.